Hello everyone, a big hello. And by your numerous requests, today I will show you my favorite and simplest way to make stickers by hand. And I think it's been a while since I last sent greetings. Today, my greetings go to Elizaveta Mayornikova and Ekaterina Yudina. Let me remind you that you can leave your greetings in the specially created topic in the V-Contacte group. Let's continue with you. And for the stickers, we need white paper on which we will draw the designs. Also pencils, markers, colored pens or paints, whatever you have. And the necessary materials will be scissors, transparent tape, and also double-sided tape. They can be easily purchased at a stationery or hardware store. First of all, I traced the drawings from the internet and outlined them with a black marker. This makes them look much brighter. Another option is to dig through your old magazines and cut out the necessary pictures from there. But remember, you can draw anything you want with your own hands, and it will look much better. When all the drawings' O's are ready, we need to take scissors and separate them from each other. Done. Now take transparent tape and cover each little drawing under it. Done. Now each drawing is under a protective film and is waterproof. All that's left is to attach an adhesive backing to the back. And as you might have guessed, the adhesive backing will be double-sided tape. Take the drawing and stick it on the back. As we can see, one width is not enough, so we stick another one next to it. If you have wide double-sided tape, that's very good. But if it's not wide, then look, 2 pieces are enough and our sticker is almost ready. All that's left is to cut it out along the edges. I leave a little bit of white. This is how the sticker looks. Very interesting, complete. We cut off the excess, only the sticker remains. We do this work with each drawing. The result is very bright, cartoonish and cool stickers. If you liked it too, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you happen to know any other simple ways to make stickers yourself, be sure to write them in the comments. And as soon as the video reaches 2,000 likes, which is easy for us, I will make a video on the top best ways to make stickers yourself. So I'm counting on your help. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Goodbye to everyone, see you soon, and until the next videos.